Our adjustable differential pressure switch 930 Climair is available in IP54 and in IP65 versions and is ideal for monitoring differential pressures, be it air or other non-flammable and non-aggressive gases. We optionally offer models with UL or ATEX approval. This versatile switch allows continuous pressure monitoring and is primarily used in filter monitoring in heating, ventilation and air conditioning area. Thanks to the flexible selection of different connection options, as well as gold-plated switching contacts for applications for low-voltage tasks, we have a solution for every task. Visit us at www.beck-sensors.com. Beck, pressure monitoring made to measure.